Hey, this is Tabitha Smith, and I will be presenting you my PLN website. Here, this I've called it Tabitha Smith Learning Plan. I am a lupus. I suffer from lupus as well as cancer, so my logo is the purple ribbon for lupus. It is called Tabitha Smith Growth Learning Plan. Here is me. Currently, my education is I have a bachelor's degree in accounting, business. I also have a master's degree in finance. I have 6 children, and I've been teaching for 9 years. My next page is my beginning. This is the beginning of my life as I take the journey of obtaining my license. I've been teaching for 9 years, and this is my second attempt at receiving my license. Cancer stopped me the first time, but nothing will stop me. My work experience, I am an early childhood center owner since 2010. I was a teacher at Carter's Christian Academy from 2011 to 2016. Then I became the Dean of Students and Staff for 2016, 2018 because I wanted to grow. And they felt that I was great at doing what I did. They refused to help me finish my license, so I stepped away from administration and leadership and stepped back into the classroom. So I am currently a teacher at Renaissance Lutheran in Racine Middle School Social Studies, and I actually took on the task of science since the science teacher quit. I am also the praise dance coach and the track coach. My family, again, as I said, I have 6 children. They are the reason why I do what I do. I want to be a positive role model for them and let them know that through perseverance and determination and grit, they can accomplish anything, no matter what the obstacles are. So here is 4 of my children, all my teenagers. I do have 2 grown children that are out of the home. I just love being a mom. And here are some of my educational samples. I did a presentation on Class Dojo, my Horizon report of the achievement gap, as well as another app that we use at school called GroupMe. So hope you enjoyed it.